Mega Wow is actually our version of open house. We call it Mega Wow because we borrowed the acronym WOW from the West Alabama Chamber of Commerce, which was World of Works, and we decided to open up our house to the community, to our families, and show them the different worlds of work that we have present right here in this building at TCTA. Tonight, we featured every program here at TCTA. What the parents experienced, they were able to go to classrooms, they were able to sit beside their student or students in the program, they were able to participate in hands-on activities that were facilitated by their student or other students in the program. The other unique thing about this open house is that we have business and industry representatives here to talk about the what's next. When your child participates in this program, when your child earns their credential, when your child becomes a completer, what happens after that? What is the training necessary after that? What jobs are available after that? What's the possible income? How long will it take for students to actually enter those professions and move up into those professions? So we have a well-rounded program for everyone tonight. Career Tech is so important because it is an additional pathway for students. In Tuscaloosa City Schools, we have so many opportunities for students to choose their trajectory to success. This is just one other way that we allow students to choose their trajectory. What am I passionate about? What do I enjoy doing? What can I make money doing every day where I get up in the morning or get up in the evenings and I actually love what I do? That is why this place is so special. This place is so important because there are multiple pathways to success, and that's what we have here. We have pathways that include earning dual enrollment classes while you're here at TCTA. We have programs where we have articulated credit to Shelton State. We have paid apprenticeships that partner with our programs here. And most importantly, we have business and industry members who will be here saying, listen, we are willing to offer you a job when you finish TCTA because we know that you will be well prepared.